Maybe we should take some time. I think I tend to take you for granted, but I think with me you're misunderstanding. You say you think you might just abandon us. Don't leave, no, please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys. Find your peace and clarity. Take a day, take a week. Baby, just stay with me. Baby, just stay with me. Now I smell wine in the bedroom. You can get me when you're drunk. Apathy is how I get through. Until you ask me what I want. Don't leave, no, please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys. Find your peace and clarity. Take a day, take a week. Baby, just stay with me. Did you really mean it? Are you thinking you might run? Maybe we should sleep on it. Just wait till the morning comes. 'Cause yes, I really mean it. I'm half the man when you're not around. Baby, we can make it.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anabel, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, all the social media. And today I'm just coming at you with like a quick little vlog. It's like, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I've gotten to the point in Vlogmas where I'm like, my life is so repetitive and kind of boring that I'm like, what else do I show you all, you know? But today, what's nice is that we do have a movie that we're going to, but that even is kind of like, yeah, we have a movie to go to, but like, isn't it kind of weird? Like, I don't really get to talk to you all, but I figured maybe after the movie I can chat with you. I'm trying to look for a pair of earrings. I don't know if I should wear these. Maybe these little heart ones would be cute. But yeah, it's just, we're going to the movies. I don't get to catch up with you all or talk to you all or whatever. So, oh no, did it fall on my shirt here? So it's just kind of like weird. But Matt is like so adamant on going to the movies. I figured maybe I'll ask him if he wants to go to like Target after. Oh no, it fell again. Damn it. Hold on. Matt is like super adamant about going to the movies, and I'm like, gosh, I don't want to, but I think too is because the movie he wants to go watch, he said is kind of bad, and he is like crazy. He's like, I love watching bad movies, and I'm like, why are we watching a bad movie? But I don't know, either way, I'm gonna go. It's gonna be fun, it's gonna be fine, and I'm gonna enjoy it, and I'm gonna enjoy my little popcorn and have a good time. But I figured I would say hi to y'all. Hold on. I feel like this is too like girly. Like, maybe I'm just gonna wear the pearls on their own. Yeah, it looks cute. But yeah, Matthew's like so adamant about going to the movies, which I'm like, whatever, it is what it is. Like, it'll be fun. Oh, maybe I could wear the silver. Like, I don't know why I think these like pearl ones look weird on me. Maybe I will just wear the silver. Yeah, that's fine. Also doesn't help that I'm not wearing any makeup, so I feel kind of like not pretty. Maybe that has something to do with it. But I will say, I was talking to Matthew earlier, and I'm like, I have to acknowledge that. So I was watching some of my older vlogs, and I have to like acknowledge and kind of realize, and in a way like be happy and glad that I've been doing pretty good as far as like mental health. Every single time that I like vlogged in the past, and it's like Vlogmas, I would always have like a little bit of a mental breakdown, and lately I feel like that hasn't happened, which is really good. I'm pretty sure I talked about it, but back in August, pretty sure it was August, like end of July, beginning of August, I did go through TMS therapy, which is transcranial magnetic stimulation therapy. And after that, I feel like I've been doing a lot better than what I used to. I was taking like Effexor at that time, and since then I've stopped taking Effexor. I don't take any medication for like my mental health, although there's been like maybe like 1 or 2 times, maybe like more than that, maybe like 3 times that I'm like, oh, maybe I should go back and like let them know what's going on because I don't feel well. But then that shortly passes and I'm fine. And I feel like in a way that's kind of like progress, because usually when it's like depression, it's really bad, like it's really bad really fast, and that hasn't been the case. I haven't had like a breakdown moment. I haven't like been crying or going crazy or anything like that. So I feel like that is like really good. Matthew had a good point in saying that I think a lot has to do with like my new job, that this job doesn't really create a whole ton of stress for me right now, and so it's like very like manageable stress as opposed to like my old job. Like that job was just like every single day was stressful. There wasn't a week where I wouldn't end with like 1 or 2 breakdown moments of me crying, and that should not be something that's going on or happening. But I don't know, I feel like it's really good that we're doing good. Like things are a little bit more manageable. Things seem to be a little bit less hard and stressful on me, so I don't know, it's just really good. But anyways, I figured I'd talk to you all for a little bit because we are about to take off here in a little bit. Matthew was just taking a quick shower, and then we are going to head out the door. I have this like not pop socket, Octobuddy on the back of my phone that's like MagSafe, and I like to keep it on the back of my phone while I'm here at the house, but when I leave I like to take it off because I'm like, I don't see any use for it. Like I'm not, you know, putting my phone somewhere. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end the, well, not really end the vlog. I'll end the vlog when I come home. I am gonna record a little bit on my phone, but I'm not gonna take my camera. I'm trying to remember to show, not say, or not talk or whatever. So I'm trying to remember like vlog, show it, don't like say it. I'll talk to you later.
This magical retelling is staffed with a great and powerful cast.
Moonlight peeks through the curtains. Another night, another fight.
Matthew.
How do you feel? Are you
This is what
hurt?
I think.
Maybe we should take
Oh, maybe we
some
can see if they
time.
have anything for the kids.
I think I tend to take you for granted, but I think with me you misunderstanding. You say you think you
especially
might
'cause it's like
just
in a close
abandon
area.
us. Don't leave, don't leave, no, please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys. Find your peace and clarity. Take a day, take a week. Baby, just stay with me.
Hey guys, and just like that, we are back from the movies. The movie was good. I don't remember what the name of the movie was, so I'll just put a picture up on the screen. But yeah, the movie was good. I personally think the movie could have been an email, but it's fine. It was still fun. We had some popcorn. Let me get adjusted. We had some popcorn and icy, and I enjoyed the time. And also what was really nice is that the theater was like super empty because apparently the movie's not very good. It's gotten really bad ratings, so because of that, the movie theater was empty. So we had like space on our right, space on our left, like literally the entire row to our right was empty, which is wild. And I think there's maybe like, honestly, I can say like under like 50 people in there. Maybe even under 20, which is wild. Anyways, I didn't get enough footage for today, which is crazy. It sucks. I'm gonna do better tomorrow. That's the goal. But I wanted to go ahead and end the vlog here because it is late. It is literally 9:17, so you'll be seeing this in like maybe an hour or two, depending on how fast I can get this done, and I'll be hopefully uploading it by then. Like, I literally brought my new laptop. I'm so excited. I brought my new laptop out, and I'm gonna edit really quick and hopefully get this up before the day ends. But I am hoping for tomorrow's vlog to be better, to be a little bit more productive. Although we're staying at home, I want to do maybe a craft or two to just like add it on to the vlog to make it a little bit more festive and fun. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Mwah.